In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit message on Messenger. So in my Messenger application, I'll just send a message here and I'll be showing you how to edit this one. So you can't edit this message directly. Even if you hold and press this one, there is no option for edit. But I will be showing you on how to edit this one. So the first thing you can try is to remove the message. Just click the remove and then you will have two options, the unsend and remove for you. If you choose the remove for you, the message will be removed for you, but the other members will still see your messages. But the other one, if you click on remove again and tap on the unsend, so even your chatmate can see your messages. So it's like it's deleted permanently. So just go ahead and type in the new message that you want. And that's it, guys. That's how to edit your message on Messenger. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.